first 45 years of my life, I did not live life the right way.
At the age of 47, Brent Yates believed he wasn't going to make it to age 50.
People don't care how much money I made. People don't care how high I could jump. People care about how I treated people.
It was, he says, his lowest point, and there was nowhere to go but up.
When I started with God and His grace and what He's done for me, nothing else truly matters. But until Himself challenged me through a reoccurring dream, in the moment I knew the day that I picked up the pencil that I was going to try to honor Him and inspire the world through my story.
Now, despite having money and prestige, his life journey has been neither smooth nor straightforward. And in 2007, he was slowed by a mysterious illness, a crumbling marriage, shattered family relationships, and suicidal thoughts.
And what God did for me when I didn't know if I wanted to live another day, I listened to people. I opened my mind to evolving and being better, as good as I could be, but loving on people. And that was my biggest problem, because life was about me, and people made it about me because I was a leader. And that can, that whole system of, you lead and, it's all about you. It can be misconstrued and certainly spun in your mind, and it's your being. But at the same time, you have to know that it's about people, and it's about what people do for you in your life and how people can lift your own life up. No, I could only get so high with just Brent Yates. And until I had to figure it out in a rough time in my life, I would have never got here.
But it takes somebody with that kind of mindset and that kind of next level thinking that is willing to be not only daring, but believes that things can be better.
So you're at that moment in your life, you thought you wanted to leave this form, but your body said something else to you.
Truly, until I learned how to slow my mind down and really focus on the most important things in my life, which were abundance, gratefulness, and purpose. Like that has to be every day. That is my fuel for every day, is knowing what I'm gonna do, why I'm gonna do it. Oxygenating my brain is part of my discipline, and I do it. If I don't get to do it in the morning, I've missed something. But when I get quiet, it's truly about being present, knowing that I'm getting better. It's like I take a moment and I thank God that I have the ability to train at my age or any age, but knowing like I'm the temple, like I just want to be better. And so the vest, just when I zip that up, it just, again, it's like eating your breakfast. Like the very first thing you want to do to energize yourself, the vest energizes me, and I flip a switch and I know it's time to go. I felt this could be, for people, one of the greatest benefits and a shift for training, how people train, and really change training through performance, through lifestyle, through what we've created.
Nowhere to run and hide. No, you can't hide. Nowhere.
I believe everybody around me is authentically trying to be as good as we can be. And I believe that because they know that I don't settle, that they know that I wrote a book, that I really showed my life and the ups and downs in my book. And then at the end of the book, I said, I'm gonna bring you something that you've never seen before. Aion's about change. It's about changing the way that you feel about yourself. It's about changing the way that you look. I can't think of, like, everybody's in a transformational journey on this planet, whether they admit it or not. And so for me, to be able to see people that put this on and get the benefits, like really, that's where I'm at. Like, I'm a construction guy and I've been building things and people have moved in, but there's nothing more gratifying. And I know that's gonna be more gratifying than watching people evolve and change and find adventure in change. And that's the inspiration of it all. So I'm really excited for what's next when we unveil what we've created as a team to the world.